Hello and welcome to our review of the ZEFF Bb Standard Trumpet, the perfect choice for beginners and students seeking a brass instrument that offers a pure, bright, rich, and powerful tone with excellent vibration. This beautifully crafted trumpet is made from high-quality brass material, featuring a white brass pitch pipe and a phosphor bronze mouthpiece pipe, all polished to a dazzling shine, making it not only a great instrument but also a wonderful gift. Designed with an integrated body, the valves are precisely connected, ensuring airtightness and high blowability for a loud, clear horn sound and a beautiful, singable melody. The trumpet's heat-treated steel springs rebound quickly, supporting your playing without the worry of jamming, while the first valve slide thumb saddle and adjustable third slide lock provide a broad sound with quick response and excellent feedback. Fully equipped for beginners, this set includes a durable hard case with an adjustable strap, a 7C mouthpiece, a polishing cloth, and a pair of white gloves. Whether you're a kid or an adult, the ZEFF Bb Standard Trumpet offers an easy-to-play experience with professional features, making it an ideal choice for anyone eager to start their musical journey. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this review helps you find the perfect trumpet to begin your musical adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.